This tutorial review will show you how to fix my card not showing in contacts on iPhone. So as you can see, the my card is not showing. To solve this issue, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on contacts and tap on my info. And now you have to select here your number or name to set as my card. You can tap on new contact and now enter here your name, add your phone number here, tap on done, then go to your phone or contact app. As you can see, my card is showing now. Now tap on my card and then you'll be able to edit your card from here. So that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.